Cabbage and pineapple, an unexpected and delicious combination. Start this recipe by cutting this cabbage into thin slices just like this. I'm using a peeler. You can use a knife if you don't have a peeler at home, but this is a way easier method. And we really just want to make sure we cut this cabbage into as thin slices as possible for better flavor. Once you've finished cutting your cabbage, let's place those slices into a bowl. We're now going to move on to our pineapple here. We're going to cut half a pineapple. And you always want to make sure you cut out that core, which is pretty hard. And we're going to cut it just like this. The tip here is to cut the pineapple into cubes. You can start with some slices and then go across just like this. And we're going to finish this process with the entire pineapple. We want it to all be cubed. Look how pretty this looks. They all are around the same size. Now we're going to continue with the rest of our ingredients here. So with our cabbage, we're going to add 1 grated carrot, just like this. We're also going to add in 1 chopped tomato, 1 red bell pepper, a thinly sliced red onion, nice and thin, just like this. And then we're going to add 1 carton of heavy cream, as well as 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's add in some salt for seasoning, and some oregano. I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add more or less depending on your preference. Now it's time to add in those pineapple pieces that we just cut up. Now that those are all added, we're going to go and give this a good mix. We want to make sure this is all well incorporated. Your family is going to love this salad. Now I'm just using 2 forks to make this nice and easy. All right, now that this is all mixed up, it is almost ready. We're now going to add about 20 mils of vinegar. And let's give that another mix using our forks. You'll love the taste of this recipe. It's beautiful, colorful, and tasty. Look how wonderful this is. I haven't added parsley, but you definitely can if you prefer. And all that's left to do is serve this on a plate and call your family to enjoy it with you. Our pineapple coleslaw is ready. I like to serve this with rice or grilled chicken. I hope you enjoy.